How to stop Facebook from saving links you clicked. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and in this video we will talk about how you can easily ban saving links that you have logged into the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Facebook application and go to the menu of your profile by clicking on the window in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down the screen and stop at Settings and Privacy and click on it. Now click on the line Link History, and here Facebook will show you all the links you have ever visited. And to disable this feature, just click on any link and you need to click on 3 points in the bottom right of the screen. Then go to the last line, go to Settings, and all you have to do is disable all link history and confirm you wish to disable this feature. And on this all, now you know how easy it is to ban the saving of links you have visited in the application Facebook. Thank you for watching.